My dear students, just I am giving a new look of my channel and redefining based on the past experiences. What people are trying to understand, what you people exactly need, that is very important for me. So, in order to understand your day to day requirement in terms of career excelling or career excitement, I'm just redefining this message disseminating process or pathway, that is eighth planets. After giving a serious thought to it, just I have derived a particular theme, and it is not a simple theme. It is depicting the entire universe around you. You can see here in between, I have mentioned a symbol that is very significant and energy driven significance, that is symbol that is infinite. And this infinite is nowhere else, it is within you. And you need to tap these important planetary, you can say, movement around you. Of course, we are very much into this, you can say, astronomical, astrological world. And if you are not making aware of all these things, then things will be away from you in spite of having everything. I'm not a kind of astrologer and astronomist. I'm just a simple biological student, professor, trying to explain to you. First of all, you have to make yourself very much decisive and well connected to the source of powers. That is very important. That is why I have redefined the name, the eighth planets, and then infinite symbol, which will tap the infinite power first of all within yourself, and then you will have the immense potential to connect the world. So these universe are very much covered as far as our science and limited knowledge about the universe is saying. The infinite power is very much within you, and that is very much tapped from these planets. I have given a kind of the narratives or the roadmaps how I will progress and how you will be connected in due course of these eighth planets movement around you, and then you will respond to me accordingly. So these eighth planets will take the at least eighth session to explain, and then at the end you will understand what I am and where I have to look. Very first thing you can see the self. This one is the self Saturn reflection, and then come to this explore your interest, that is Earth, and then assess your magnitude Mercury, take personality and career assessment values, that is Venus, and analyze past experiences and monetize yourself, that is Mars. Set goals and prioritize joy of doing, that is Jupiter. Networking and mentorship, that is Neptune, and universalize your experiences, that is Uranus. My dear friends, you will be very much surprised. These names are signifying the symbolism of all these, you can say, planets. Wherever you are, we are very much established in the on the Earth planet, or you are destining towards the Mars, Jupiter, you can say Saturn. So, how these planets are impacting your life, that is very important before choosing and opting any career. So, that is why I am just changing these kind of the thematic procedural things around you so that you can understand how we need to progress. So based on these things, these are the self-reflection, explaining the kind of the behavioral approach about yourself, how you are carrying yourself, that is very important, so that you have to see yourself before the mirror and then decide how I have to make a progress, how I have to take a decision, that is very important. Then second thing, explore your interest, that is very important. Of course, Earth is the symbolism of the diversity. Let allow everybody to grow and to work with you so that you can you can have the kind of the facilitator behavior, so that based on these things you will have the kind of the exposures, and based on these exposures you can grab your specific signals, and then you can say limit yourself, yes, where and how I have to proceed. That is why explore your interest. Then assess your magnitude. That is very important. And of course, the nature of the anatomy of the mercury is very much similar to this. Assess your magnitude. Of course, if you are not tapping your magnitude, your objectivities, then how you can target any career in your life? That is very important. Take personality and career assessments values, that is Venus always helps you astrologically, always help you how personality as well as career assessment approaches you are having. This kind of acumen is very important. And then analyze past experiences and monetize yourself. That is very important nowadays. Based on your experiences, whatever you have earned, of course, at 10th level, 8th level, 9th level, 12th level, just you have to revisit yourself and your journey, small journey, and wherein this kind of the acumenship and the wisdom will help your futuristic approach. And then number 6, set goals and prioritize joy of doing. That is very important. Of course, Jupiter is the master of the house. That is giving you the quality of mentoring yourself. If you are not mentoring yourself, your desire, then how come you can one day you will situate yourself on that particular level? That is very important. That's why set goals and prioritize joy of doing. That's why I have signified in terms of Jupiter. And then Neptune says networking and mentorship. Of course, your networking is very important. Networking means internal strength. You are doing the establishing the networking system within yourself, and then of course outer side also, means intra networking system as well as the inter networking system. That is called collaborative behavior, collaborative approach towards the society, towards the nature, towards the world, so that this kind of the planetary establishment within yourself will help this kind of the approaches. Then universalize your experience. If you are not universalizing, means whatever you are, just for example, whatever I am understanding, whatever I have seen based on my past experience, I'm just trying to universalize. So you have to do the same thing. You need to universalize your experiences. That is very much similar to the significance of the Uranus. So my dear friends, based on this kind of the 8 planets, you are tapping the infinite potential within yourself, and these 8 planets will decide your you can say vital life and your career. And specifically I have just targeted the 12 pass students, irrespective of any domain, any discipline. All general students are striving for the best career, and this particular session and journey, which will take I think 8 through 10 sessions, right? So where you are in science or exploring science engineering domain, then certainly we will have the kind of the virtual meet on the science engineering domain, commerce, or some other kind of the medicinal uses, commerce, business uses, accountancies, arts, geography, geoinformatics, biological science, biotechnology, medical sciences, everything, whatever you are just trying to portray and try to explore. So these thematic points which I have highlighted earlier will give you a kind of the confidence how and where I have to grab the opportunity. But first of all, if you are not making yourself very much powerful in terms of perceiving the signals, perceiving the opportunities from outside, then you cannot uh, connect with the world or global opportunities. So that is the main, you can say, objective of my upcoming sessions. Keep visiting me, and my channel and then get benefits. Thank you so much.